Do you believe it's too late to put money into Shiba Inu? Do you feel like you missed the boat a few years ago? What if I tell you that there just came some massive updates that could have a big effect on the value of our favorite Shiba Inu coin? Can you believe it? It's crazy whale season right now, and I'll tell you why and how Shiba Inus will really moon. Wait and see. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. Shiba Inu is currently going up, which is probably due to the fact that there are big players in its environment. Shiba Inu is a complicated procedure, and its recent revival is due to a number of important reasons. One of the most important reasons is that there are a lot more big deals on the Shib network. In Block, a crypto monitoring service, says that there have been 41% more big Shib trades in the last 24 hours, worth a total of $45.4 million. The amount of large deals, which are those worth $100,000 or more, has gone up from $4.10 trillion Shib on November 2 to $5.8 trillion Shib now. This rise shows that Shiba Inu is becoming more popular as both a service coin and a financial asset. It's clear that the recent upward trend is mostly due to these large whale trades, since other indicators don't currently favor Shib. The general growth of Shib is still not clear because trade volume has dropped 30%, hiding the small increase. You might be wrong, though, if you think that a cryptocurrency's value is only based on its price. The market cap of a cryptocurrency is the best way to tell how valuable and popular it is. To get a better understanding of digital assets, you need to know what market cap means. Let's talk about the subject in more depth. Shiba Inu, for instance, has a market cap of $4.6 billion right now. Understanding the worth of Shiba Inus and other cryptocurrencies on the market is important before you trade or buy in them. But checking Shiba Inu prices alone won't tell you everything you need to know about, say, Shiba Inu, which is one of the most famous coins. It is very important to think about its size and how popular it is in the market. Crypto market cap is a simple way to show how much all the coins that have already been created are worth. A cryptocurrency's market cap shows how stable it is. Most of the time, a cryptocurrency's market cap shows how safe it is as an investment. On the other hand, coins with smaller market caps are often more affected by changes in the market. In other words, Shiba Inus will be less likely to bite as they get bigger, which is generally a good thing. Cryptocurrency prices are more stable when the market is less volatile. This is because the prices of these digital assets don't go up and down wildly. Because of this, cryptocurrencies are a safer way to keep value and use them for daily activities. They are also a better choice for investment. It can be dangerous and less useful to use cryptocurrencies as money or an investment when their prices are always changing. In general, less instability is thought to be good for the crypto market. Investors are always looking for ways to guess how much Shiba Inu and other coins will be worth in the future. A fairly simple way to do this is to look at its market price value. To get an exact price, you must, however, take into account the present exchange rates for both buying and selling. You can also guess how well a coin like Shiba Inu might do by looking at its market cap. But when talking about Shiba Inu prices, selling volume is one of the most important things that affects them. Trading traffic shows how many Shiba Inus were bought and sold on different markets during a certain time period. Basically, it shows how much of a coin is available and how much it is sold. Shiba Inu's market capitalization is based on how much it is worth right now and how many tokens are in circulation. It comes from these things and can show how good an item is compared to its rivals. Some of a cryptocurrency's market capitalization may be based on its price, but a higher price doesn't always mean a higher market capitalization. People ask this question a lot on the internet these days. Is 2023 the end of Shiba Inus, or is it too late? You can make better business choices if you know the relationship between a cryptocurrency's volume and market cap. This number affects an asset's value, which shows how simple or hard it might be to buy or sell that coin. Digital money. When the percentage is high and liquidity is high, It is easier to sell an object at its current value. This means that the price is more stable and less likely to change. On the other hand, a price that is less solid and more unpredictable can be caused by low liquidity, which is shown by a lower ratio. So, what's going on with Shiba Inus right now? Shytoshi Kusama, the lead creator, hinted at the joy about new goods and solutions coming out on Shibarium this month. This shows that demand for Shib is growing even more. Based on these positive events, Shiba Inu looks like it will have its first good November in 3 years. Not long ago, the mysterious boss of the Shib team showed up on the Shibarium Tech Telegram channel. His message, which was a bit hard to understand, left the Shib community feeling both surprised and hopeful. Someone who liked Shiba Inu asked Kusama about his health, and he said that he was better than ever, and was getting ready to show the feeds of the masters how beautiful Shib was. The Shib Society then thought about who these masters were and what Shytoshi was trying to say in general. Shytoshi is known for using words that sound like they belong in Asian philosophy. He used this style earlier this year when he talked about the possibility of releasing Shibarium on Valentine's Day. As he said in another Telegram message shared over the weekend, many people will donate. He stressed that only leaders, especially global leaders, seem to be able to understand the power of what we are making together. Those of you who get it are on the same page as them. This seems to be in line with what Shytoshi said before, when he said that Shib is better than X. It was almost like he was challenging Elon Musk and the X app, which the tech mogul is now rebranding as Twitter and making a lot of changes to, such as giving content creators more ways to reach new users. Aside from that, Shib could benefit from the bigger economic trends that are affecting the market, like the hope that the SEC will approve a Bitcoin spot ETF. If a Bitcoin ETF is approved, it could have a big effect on the price of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies like Shiba Inu. This is because it can change how buyers act and how the market works. If a Bitcoin ETF is accepted, buyers will be able to buy and sell Bitcoin on regular stock markets, just like they do with stocks. This makes it easy for both big and small buyers to put money into Bitcoin without having to hold and store the cash itself. What's the big deal about this? 1. Better access. The approval of a Bitcoin ETF makes Bitcoin easier for more buyers to get into the crypto market who might not have done so before. When a lot of new buyers come in, the market for Bitcoin usually goes up. I trust and believe in you too. Getting the green light from officials gives Bitcoin more respect, making it seem more popular and safe to buyers. In turn, this brings more money into the market. 3. Boost for liquidity. A lot of people can buy and sell Bitcoin quickly through Bitcoin ADS because they are very flexible. This can make prices more stable and less volatile, which can attract buyers who don't like taking risks. 4. A good attitude. How people feel about the market is a big factor in how much cryptocurrencies cost. When an ETF for Bitcoin is approved, it often makes people feel good, which can attract buyers and drive up prices. 5. How altcoins are related. Altcoins like Shiba Inu tend to move in sync with Bitcoin. The approval of an ETF can cause big changes in the price of Bitcoin, which can have an effect on the whole cryptocurrency market. When Bitcoin is doing well, investors may move their money into other cryptocurrencies. What do you think about that? Are you really excited? Leave a comment below. I can't wait to read what you think about that. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.